Hello, I'm Kevin, and this is The Real Way to Make Money Online. Last week I showed you Creative Fabrica and all the things it's got there. Fonts, crafts, all kinds of designs, journal interiors. Well, one of the, put this over. One of the things I showed was a pack of images. This is the one that had the this image but said witchy woman. And you'll notice, well, I downloaded it, but the first thing I did was delete that image. Because witchy woman is an Eagles song title. So, very bad to use. But I'll show you how you make changes. This is a design I made for a phone case. Now the original image is darker than this, and I added the leaves, and I changed the license plate. So if we come here, I've got my phone template up. First thing we gotta do is get this guy in there. Make it nice and big. Now these Samsung Safe Zone is pretty small. iPhone's is a little bigger, but this is safe. Doesn't mean you have to stay inside those lines. You don't. Except the top line for Samsung, because you can barely see it here. One of their cameras comes right there. All of them are in the middle. It's stupid. Very bad design for designing. So I've got this bigger than the can actually make it even a little bigger. Right about there. So I have to select that again because the first thing I did was white, and that's how I changed the color. So that's too dark for the black background. And I need black. The only other choice for fall was orange, but I wanted orange leaves. Crank that up a little. Right about there. Close it. Then grab a rectangle. I want to blot that out. And the U. Select them both. Grab the eyedropper. Catch that same color white. And now I got a clean slate. I like the heart, so that's staying. And then the font I used was Handscript. That's good. Oh, I did Control-I instead of Shift-I. That's not going to work. Fall. Move it over a bit. Now for the eye, come down below. See those two arrows? I'm I'm just gonna slide that over. See where I like it here. Gonna turn off snapping. Get it right where I want. Move that over. And there. So now we've got our truck completely different, and that's ready to be used. I've made enough changes to follow the licensing. This one might have been good for POD, but I'm just showing how to do it if it wasn't. I didn't check. So now I need to go into here. Whoop, past it. Let's see. So the first thing is FX. This time is an overlay. Shorten that up. Okay, so you see this is far outside the safe zone. And that's okay because the camera comes, the biggest camera comes all the way up here. And without all this stuff, it would look pretty plain. So now I need another one. Oh, I didn't hit. I have to do that all over again. What I should have done was hit this button so it will open up again in the right folder. Oh shoot, I have to overlay that. Grab the eyedropper. Check it. Nah. Make it a lot smaller. And then, oop, not FX. FX, overlay, yeah, bigger. Change it up a little. And now, hold Alt, and I can make a copy right there. Same thing as before, you can go all the way down. Let's see. Alt. something different. Maybe this one. Let's go orange again. But these ones on the ground going to be a little lighter. Because they're on the ground. They've been run over, walked over. They've been there a while. Changing to different colors. Well, these are fresh and falling. And that's it. I have this design live, so you can't copy it, but that is one way to make changes to stay in compliance with the licensing agreement. Unless, of course, this had full pod use, then you could just upload it how it was. But again, on a black background, the original drawing was too dark. Maybe next week I'll show you how to do a full case covering, because it's a pain in the rump the first time. And as always, there's a link to my free private Facebook group in the comments below. Join that. I give all kinds of other tips, hints, suggestions, and news. So if you like what you saw, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, drop a comment, and I will see you in a few days. I almost said next week, but I keep forgetting I have the other thing in a few days, so see you later.